This is Tech, and in today's video, I'll explain how to get Google internal app betas through the Google Play Store. As a developer, this is a great way to send your beta testers an update without having to use the console and changing the version number, and this is very quick. The issue is that it's a bit difficult to integrate and explain to the user the first time they join, per se. So that's why this video is here. If you will find this useful, then I would be grateful if you could subscribe, like, and share with your friends and developers. So you go to Google Play and settings. In older versions, it looks a bit different, so you will need to update to the latest version first. Then you click Play Store version. If you click it once, it'll check for an update. You need to click it 7 times. I already have done this, so it's already enabled. Normally you won't see the internal app sharing unless you do this. Then I recommend you force close the app, reopen it, go to settings. That's if the setting didn't appear yet, and it would be off, and you just turn it on. And then here, I sent myself the internal testing, and it looks a little different from a regular app. I'll show you what a regular app install would look like this, and internal testing will look like this. And you'll notice you don't have the same app store information, as well as you lack the reviews, and it's completely free, meaning you can't charge for an app through the internal beta test. If you give someone a link, then they could download the version, and there's no way to stop it or revoke it. And the app is quite small, so it's installing. In addition, there's no way to update an app through the internal app sharing, meaning that you can't get an OTA update, or the developer can't update the version. You will need to either uninstall and install the regular Play version, or the developer needs to send you a new link. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.